Welcome back to the Build a Trader YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be documenting my progress passing a FTG funded challenge. If you're not familiar with what FTG stands for, it stands for Funded Traders Global. Go ahead and check out this video here if you'd like to know more information about this new prop firm. In this video, I'm going to be documenting my wins, my losses, showing you guys part of my life, as well as showing you guys my routine and how I approach the markets every single day to find high probability trade setups. Now, I know that a 25k challenge is not the biggest account you could be taking a challenge for, and it most certainly is not the biggest account I've ever passed. However, if you guys like this video and like this type of content, I will gladly create another video just like this, but perhaps with a 100k account. And if that goes well, who knows what's in store for the future. We might take a 500k challenge and document that too. Who knows? But without further ado, I will see you guys on the charts. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright, BAT family, here we are on the FTG dashboard. You can see 25k active, and yeah, this is it. So this is the first trade that I called in the Telegram and the first trade that I've taken on the account. It is a gold buy setup here. Set a buy between 1982 and 1984 in this little price range here. Let's go full screen real quick. In here, 1982, 1984, this little price range. And I'm anticipating, or at least analyzing, seeing a move up to, from this point up to 1990, up to 2005, and possibly 2014. On the break of this resistance level up here. And right here are my current positions open. We have a 0.3 open. We've been holding since yesterday. I called this during New York session. It's currently the same day for me, but for some of you it may be a different day already. But currently it's Asia session and 5:24 p.m. And yeah, you can see my entries here: 1982.52, 1983.67, and 1981.91. And we have the stop loss at 1977. I'm going to move that up to 1979 now, just based on the current price action. It's going to continue higher. It needs to hold this higher low point. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and update that in the chat as well on the Telegram here. Since I did call this trade, I'm going to tell them I am moving my stop losses up. And the most important part about trading is trade management and risk management. So what are we doing right now? Managing our trade and reducing our risk, just as we need to. As traders, you know, we often see good setups, but sometimes things happen and we have to really use our trading skills, which is trade management and risk management, to help us stay in the game, help us find that next setup, and to keep on going. It's the most important part about trading. Lots of people can be good analysts, but only 5% of people are successful traders, and it's like that for a reason. You gotta have good trading skills. We reduced our risk here, went ahead and updated the free channel because I gave this trade to them today too, and went ahead and updated the premium channel, the mentoring channel here. So I'm gonna set an alert so that it goes to my phone if prices hit here, and if 1981 is broken, I want to be alerted by that, and most likely we'll cut the trade at this point because we can already see some type of rejection here. Although it's open volume, we need prices to sustain above this point here in order to continue high. But alright, I'm gonna get off the charts here, head to the gym soon, and work on some Instagram content, trading tip, you know, the usual. And I'll update you guys later on how this plays out and any next potential moves we take, and we'll keep on going from there. Peace. What is up, BAT family? The current time is 10:48 p.m. Got back from the gym about 45 minutes ago. Here we are on the gold chart. I had told us to move stop losses up to 1982, and it was hit. And I went ahead and told us to enter again. Same setup, same trade. Stop loss in 1981 this time, and currently we're in a small profit here in my open positions currently, and we're going to see how this plays out. I'm going to go to bed here shortly and wake up bright and early for New York session around 5 a.m. See you guys soon. What is up, Bat fam? Alright, so today is Wednesday, 9:22 p.m. I unfortunately woke up late this morning and did not hold a live session like I had said I was, but however, on Friday I am, so looking forward to that. So today went pretty well. I called a NAS 100 buy setup today, and I can show that trade here shortly, but we can go to the FTG dashboard real quick. Now, when we look at the account status here, we can see profit made $910 out of $2,500. So we are almost at a 4% profit now, so let's keep it going. Almost halfway there, and I can show you guys the trade setup here right now. So this was the trade on the NASDAQ 100. Looking at the 30-minute time frame here, and I can show you exactly where it was called. So here are the results from the NAS 100 buy. Right here, 678 on the day. Very thankful for that, but here's my entry points as well as the take profit areas that I had. Stop loss was at 130.80. First take profit 132.00, and take profit 2 132.50. And here you can see that right here as a signal. You can't see it right here where I'm clicking. Buy NASDAQ 100 130.13150. Okay, and that price range is right here. Let me go full screen here on TradingView. The FOMC statement was during New York session this morning, and the Fed decided to raise rates by 25 basis points, 0.25%. So anyways, here was when I called the trade around 7:30, 7 a.m. Stop loss 130.80 down here. Entry point right here, 130.10 up to where this price range tool is, up to 13150. This was the entry price range. Here to here, if you can see that. At one point we were in a little bit of drawdown right here. Price came down and then proceeded to rocket higher all the way to take profit 1 132.00, and came close to hitting take profit 2, but it did not. But I closed all at take profit 1 at 132.00, which was a nice 50 to 60 point move. Very good setup. Textbook for me. It's a high volume trade setup and high probability. Just going with the trend. This was the trade. So now currently I am gonna go to the gym here in a little bit, you know how I normally do. I've been trying to show you guys a little bit of that in this video, and I believe I'm gonna be releasing these videos week by week up until I pass this challenge. So if I pass it in a week, then there could only be one video, but at this rate it looks like I could be to the end of the month possibly. You know, we are doing pretty well. Just gotta stay focused, manage my risk, not overtrade, take good trade setups, and just continue to trust the process. But other than that, I'm gonna catch you guys for New York session in the morning. I'm actually gonna wake up this time and walk you guys through my morning routine when I hop on the charts, what I'm looking for, and hopefully we can find a good setup for New York session today. Alright, see you guys later. What's up, Bat family? How are we doing tonight? The current time is 8:09 p.m. It is Thursday night. This week's been a good week in the market so far. Today we caught some gold buys. I caught some myself, and then I called an additional scalp trade in the Telegram this morning, which went for about 10 to 30 pips depending on where you entered. And yeah, that was a quick trade. Very nice, very generous. But yeah, we're up about 4% on the account. Here is the FTG dashboard. Let's take a look at that right now. Currently, we can see that everything's still active. Profit $1,067 made out of $2,500. So we're almost halfway there. We are 1% away from being at the halfway point, almost making 5%. So it's been a very good week so far. And yes, there has been losses. You know, I haven't won every single trade. You know, that's not even possible. But let's take a look at some of these losses here so you guys can see full transparency. If you're already in the Telegram, you already know. As you can see, these were losses here. The blue is all losses. But as you see, there is a lot more yellow than there is blue. Anyways, let's keep moving forward. So here is the trade that I caught. Well, I'll show you a losing trade that I took this morning. This is what one trade I lost about 1% on, 1.2% on, which is very okay. There's nothing wrong with losing that, especially if you're in a profit and you think you see a good trade setup. All right, so let's take a look at this. I had my stop loss like this, 12780. Oh, whoops. Nope, I was taking buys. Stop loss was like this. I was targeting here. Actually, I was targeting much higher, but I was gonna most likely take profit right here. And stop loss was 12980, and we got targeted right there. You know, in my mind, this was a continuation trade, and at this point in time, I did not have a moment to get out, I believe. Let's see, this is 8 a.m., 9 a.m. Okay, I was back here. So we entered this trade right here. We had these bearish candles as the price was pushing down, thought this area would hold, failed to hold, stopped out, price went down even further, which I'm glad my stop loss is triggered because, as you can see, the trade was managed. Then price continued to go higher. Missed that move. Took some buys for Asia Open, caught this little move here for about 20 points, and it ended up going for a lot more than that. Well, not a lot more, but about 20 to 30 more points after that, but it's all good. It was just a quick scalp trade. It was very easy. Could have held a little longer, but it's all good. Anyways, now moving on, this was the gold trades that I took and caught and called. All right, so let's take a look at the buy. So right now I'm on the 3-minute. Let's zoom out some. Let's go to the 4-hour on the right side. So what did I do here? Now, the gold buys that I personally took, oh man, I let go of such a good move. This was a really good trade this morning. So price broke out from this resistance point right here at 2048, 2049, 2050, this price range here, and then continue to push higher up to 2060. So that was about 100, 120 point move, or 100, 120 pip move, depending where you entered, right at these bullish candles here. So this is where I entered, right at this point. Could have held all the way up here, close for about, my stop loss was 2047. And let's zoom in. I closed for about, I'm definitely not up there. I wish. It was at 2052, 2053. Yeah, so got 1 hour or over 1 hour on this trade, which was very nice. It was almost 2 hour, but could have held a little more. As you see how there's a lot of volume and price continued to push a lot higher. Boom, could have caught another like 80 pips. Would have been amazing. Would have been very, very good setup. It was still a good setup, but I just let it go too early. Then after that, I called another gold buy over at this point here. Let's move this over because we were out of the trade already. And here we go. Called another gold buy here at 2050, 2052. And here it is on the Telegram. Oh, and yeah, here's the results from yesterday. As you can see, this is what I was saying. So yeah, here's a buy scalp that I called, 2052, buy between 2050, 2052, right here. Very nice. And here's the previous day's results. Yeah, I think I already showed you guys last video, but yeah, either way, that was the buy scalp signal, and those are the trades I took today. And here is the account, so you guys can see. Here it is wide open, account history. Boom, 26,000. So we're almost halfway done. Just got to keep on going. And tonight I am, or not necessarily tonight, this morning for New York session, I am going live sessions again. So I'm very excited to do that. And for the rest of the night, I'm going to go to the gym, you know, like usual. But anyways, I'll see you guys for the live session, and hope you guys have a good night. See you guys in the morning. Alright guys, taking profits right now on Nasdaq 100. I called these buys earlier this morning, or actually last night. But as you can see, we're running over $600 profit. Let's see if we can get a little more out of this, or if we need to cut it now. Don't want to be too greedy, but price is moving strongly in our favor with lots of volume. But we got to take what we can get, so come on, come on, come on. Alright, running over $700 in profit and closing all. Let's go. Let's get it. This nearly 3% on this challenge account. Let's go. All right, well, that was a good trade. That was a good trade. That's very excellent. Very happy about that. It's right here where this little call out is versus closed all positions. That's right close. 13093 right at the resistance, but just maybe breaking above now and may continue up to the overall take profit points that I was looking at. But even if it does, it's all good. It's been a great day and I'm thankful for it. You know, as you guys know, I'm making that FTG challenge passing video and really taking this seriously. Been showing you guys all the trades I've been taking and wins and losses, but yeah, we are up 5%, halfway there. Let's get it. Yeah, done for the day now. No, it's all good. I was late this morning. It took too long getting ready, but it's all good. It's all good. Let's see. That gap at the daily. Okay, I don't know if I see that on TradingView, but definitely on MetaTrader. Yeah, TradingView doesn't show that, but the MetaTrader chart clearly does. Yeah, that's definitely a big clue. Damn. Alright. But yeah, Nasdaq already pushed like 20 more pips from where I closed. It's breaking above this point. You know, I think if I didn't take those gold sells, I may have been inclined, gold buys, those gold buys earlier right after NFP, I probably would have been more inclined to hold this through. And, you know, I would still probably be in the trade, but, you know, it's all good. Up over halfway from passing this challenge, up 5%, so that's pretty cool in 1 week. Yeah, I think that's fishy, though. Saying that we've made a lot more jobs, I'm like, really? I don't really believe that. But, you know, that's what the Fed says. But yeah, the Nasdaq trade was good. This is still a good setup. It might go all the way, you know, another 80 pips from here up to here, then up to the monthly high, but it is what it is. You know, I need to be more disciplined. You know, I knew I shouldn't have taken that trade, but I did it based off the volatility, and I was like, well, if it reacts, you know, I could definitely scalp it. I never even had a chance to get out, and that just shows how, you know, how low probability of that move was. Like, it just completely took everything out. It's a clean move down. You know, there was no reason to be entering in this point, no matter what. If there's demand or support, it does not matter. That was not a good time to be entering. This gets all the volume.